New saw, Swezan, dovetail saw, Swezan, however you say it. Anyway, needs a new stand. One of these magnetic, how's your father's? A new blade from Tough Saws in the bandsaw. Not sure if that's a bit too thin, but we'll give it a go. There's air behind it. Oh, that's thin. New blade does all the best work. Cut it to size so it goes over the top of that like that. Bang on some linseed oil. Oh, it looks so pretty already. If I was a more patient man, I could have sanded out those saw marks, but never mind. Dab of glue. Then some activator. This is Mitafast stuff that was cheap on Amazon. Then that, whoop, if I can reach, on there, like that. And then you saw, bosh, have it. Couple of others as well, stuck up there like magic. 2-minute job, makes it all the difference. Lovely.